In the Parts Manager, you can name the individual parts of your product and store the article number, the quantity and the dimensions. In the Parts Manager, only the parts are displayed that were previously stored in the Upload Manager under Images in the Parts category. The parts can be displayed in list form or as individual images. The first step is to select a part by clicking on the image of the corresponding part. Now you can enter the name, part number, quantity and dimensions. Please note that a quantity must be entered for each part. If no quantity is specified, the corresponding part cannot be saved in the Parts Manager. After all the information has been entered, you can click on the Preview button to see how the Magic Manual will look later for the customer. In a second step, you can now add the created parts to the pages. To do this, click on the button Apply to Manual. Here you can now assign the parts by clicking on the manual pages and setting the number of parts that belong to the selected page. You can also display the assignment of the parts to the pages in list form and then see which part is assigned to which page. If all data are entered, by activating the button Show in Magic Manual, all data of the Parts Manager are shown in the Magic Manual for the end customer. Of course, it is also possible to store the parts in the pulsing bubbles and thus highlight in the manual on each page the parts that the customer needs.